Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and I want to talk a little bit today about the difference between a regular cleaning or a prophylaxis and what's called scaling or root planing, sometimes also known as a deep cleaning. So a regular cleaning or prophylaxis is kind of more like this. Again, it's not quite this light, so I'm exaggerating, compared to a scaling and root planing, which is more like this. So this is the instrument we use, or something like this, to go far down below the gum tissue, all the way to where the gum meets the bone, and get down under there and scrape and clean that root surface very thoroughly. It's meticulous, it takes time, and it takes talent to do it, and to do it right. But if you do, you can really reduce the inflammation and help slow down and control gum disease. And during the process, we actually remove the outer layer of what's called cementum, which is the outer layer of the root. Particularly if it's infected, we want to remove that infected, toxic outer layer of the root surface, and that's cementum typically, so that we can get a nice fresh surface for the gum to reattach to. We make sure to make you comfortable so we can do this properly. Typically, it takes at least 2 to 4 hours to do this properly, because it does have to be done meticulously, and we want to make sure that you're comfortable while we're doing it. This is a step below LANAP. A LANAP uses a laser. This can be effective in very mild, early to mild situations, where LANAP is used in more heavily infected situations, and the laser is used to kill these organisms that cause gum disease. So we want to make sure that your mouth is healthy, that there are no parasites, no bacteria that are still causing problems, which can not only cause problems with your mouth, but with your whole body and your general health. We want to make sure that there's no infection, that you're healthy, your mouth is healthy. Because your mouth is healthy, you're going to be healthier. Don't forget that. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comments, questions are very welcome. Have a great day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.